Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner again. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my eggplant fufu. This looks so much like amala, but it's actually not amala. It's made strictly from eggplants. This is ideal for someone that is trying to lose weight, or someone that is on a weight loss journey, or someone that is on a fit farm diet, or someone that just doesn't like to take carbohydrate that much but loves to take swallow. Before I go ahead with the recipe, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. You should also click on the notification button so you get notified when I have new videos up. Thank you. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 big size eggplants and Psyllum husk. Psyllum husk is actually the binding agent that is going to be binding the eggplants together. So first and foremost, I'm going to cut my eggplant into tiny bits. Just cut it into tiny bits so it's going to be easy for you to blend in your blender. Once I finish cutting into tiny bits, then I'm going to be putting in a blender and I'll be blending at a very high speed into a smooth paste because I want the eggplants to blend properly into a very smooth paste. It's important it's as smooth as possible because you don't want to have chunks of eggplant in your fufu when it's done. Then the next thing is I'll be placing a sieve, like a mesh cloth, on top of a bowl, and then I'll be pouring my eggplant into this. And then the essence of this is to drain the excess water in the eggplant. And once it drains, I'll just try as much as possible to squeeze out the excess water into a bowl. And of course, I'm going to be leaving some of the water to be used later when I'm making the fufu. Once you drain completely the water from the blended eggplants, the chaff is going to be placed in a pot on the gas stove, and then you make sure that your stove is placed on low heat because you don't want the eggplant to start burning immediately. So place your gas on low heat and stir continuously, just stir it slightly, and then you add in your Psyllum husk. The Psyllum husk is actually the binding agent that is used to bind the eggplants. For this recipe, I'm adding 2 Psyllum husk into my eggplants. So I've used 2 big size eggplants and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Psyllum husk to this. Once you add the Psyllum husk, then you can increase the heat of the gas stove to between the low and medium burner. And then of course you add in a little bit of water and then you stir and mash gently, just like how you'd make any other swallow. So you just mash and stir continuously till it forms a smooth paste, and just stir as I showed you in my recipe for making amala. You will notice that as you continue to stir, the eggplant fufu becomes, finer, and it binds more properly and that's just the work of the Psyllum husk that is in action. So just continue to stir till you form a very smooth paste, and make sure you reduce the gas stove at this stage. As you stir and it becomes finer, just reduce the gas stove. You don't want to burn your eggplants. You can see that the consistency is better now and it's finer, looking more like as if I made amala. And that's it. Your eggplant fufu is ready, and this is very delicious. It tastes just like amala, and you can always eat it with either okra, or you can take it with vegetable soup, or with any type of soup of your choice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things, and if you love this, please kindly give me a thumbs up, and then also please share with your friends as much as possible. Thank you, and have a great day.